Good day, everyone. Please pick up some pieces of papers and arrange your chairs because we are about to start. So, who would lead a prayer? Okay, go. Amen. Thank you so much. Good afternoon, class. Louder, please. Good afternoon, class. Okay, thank you so much. So, before that, I will check the attendance. So, no absence. Okay. So, before we start, let me show you a video about 8 planets of the solar system.
Let's explore the awesome planets. We'll fly in our rocket ship. Let's explore the awesome planets. We'll have an exciting trip. All 8 planets travel in orbit. We'll get to know them, everyone. Solar system,
planet is any of the large bodies that orbit the Sun, including Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune in order of closeness to the Sun. Mercury is the first of the 4 terrestrial planets. This means it is a planet made mostly of rock. And also Mercury is the smallest of terrestrial planets. Next, Venus. Of all the planets, Venus is the most similar to Earth. In fact, Venus is often called Earth's sister planet. So, ang Venus, mahal siya igsuon sa Earth. Ginatawag siya igsuon sa Earth. So, next, Earth. Earth is the only planet known where the life exists. It is the largest of terrestrial planets and the 5th largest in the solar system. So, ang Earth pod has perfect conditions for a breathable atmosphere. So, okay siya sa atua. The next is Mars. No planet has sparked the imaginations of humans as much as Mars. So, ang Mars is a gender symbol of for male. Next, Jupiter. Jupiter is the first of gas, giant planets. Made mostly of gas, they include Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. So, ang Jupiter also is the first among the planets in terms of size and mass. Saturn. Most people know about the rings around Saturn because they are the brightest and most colorful. These rings are made mainly out of ice particles orbiting the planet. So, ang Saturn also called is the second largest planet. So, next, Uranus is the first planet so far away from the Earth that it can only be seen with the use of a telescope. It is so far from the Sun that it takes 84 years to complete an orbit of the Sun. So, muna siya ang Uranus. So, next is the Neptune. It's the most distant planet from the Sun. It takes a very long time, 165 years, to orbit the Sun. So, ang Neptune also has made only one trip around the Sun since it was discovered. So, class, what are the 8 planets of the solar system? Very good. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Next question. What planet are we right now? Very good. Excellent. Earth. Yeah. It is the gender symbol for male. Very good again. Mars. And the first largest planet. Yes, it's true. Jupiter. So that's all for today, and thank you everyone for listening and also answering